In the land of Astravia, there lived a princess named Aurelia. Her name, meaning golden, suited her perfectly, for her heart shone as brightly as the sun. Aurelia was beloved by all, her laughter filled the air like a melody, and her compassion touched the hearts of everyone in the kingdom. Under her rule, Astravia flourished, and peace reigned for many years, but hidden in the distance.
इसके हुक्मरानी में इस सत्तरेविया खुशहाल था और कई साल तक अमन कायम रहा मगर इस सत्तरेविया की दूर-दराज
fog-shrouded mountains of Astravia, there lived a powerful enchantress named Selene, who had once been a guardian of the kingdom's magic. Many years ago, Selene had been an ally of the royal family, a wise and kind sorceress who protected Astravia from dark forces. However, a terrible betrayal had poisoned her heart. She had been abandoned by those she trusted, and in her bitterness, she vowed to plunge the kingdom into eternal night. She believed that only by extinguishing the light could she restore her power and take revenge on those who had wronged her. Selene's magic grew stronger each day, and soon a terrible storm descended upon Astravia. The sun was obscured, the land was plunged into an unnatural twilight, and the once vibrant kingdom began to wither. The people of Astravia were struck with fear and despair, unable to understand why their peaceful land had been cursed, but Aurelia, undaunted by the shadows that surrounded her, vowed to find a way to save her people. She knew that the only person who could break the curse was Selene, and so she embarked on a perilous journey to confront the powerful enchantress.
वो जानती थी कि वाहिद शख्स जो इस बदा को खत्म कर सकता है वो सेलीन है और इसीलिए उसने एक खतरनाक सफर का आगाज किया
Aurelia's journey took her through enchanted forests, across vast deserts, and up towering mountains. Along the way, she was joined by a few loyal companions, Milo, a clever talking wolf with the ability to sense magic, and Lyra, a fierce but gentle healer who wolf with the ability to sense magic, and Lyra, a fierce but gentle healer who wolf with the ability to sense magic, and Lyra, a fierce but gentle healer who wolf with the ability to sense magic, and Lyra, a fierce but gentle healer who could mend even the deepest wounds. Together, they braved the treacherous landscapes that had been warped by Selene's magic, despite the many dangers they faced, giant shadow serpents, dark fogs that twisted the mind, and traps laid by Selene's creatures. Aurelia's heart remained steadfast. Her belief in the goodness of others and her unshakable desire to bring light back to her kingdom drove her forward.
Finally, after many trials, Aurelia and her friends reached the enchanted mountain, where Selene's castle stood hidden among the clouds, its towers shrouded in mist. The air was thick with dark magic, and the path to the castle seemed to be alive, twisting and shifting as if it were trying to keep them out. Inside the castle, Aurelia found Selene standing alone in a great hall. The enchantress was cloaked in shadow, her eyes glowing with a cold, sorrowful light. "So, the little princess comes to challenge me," Selene said, her voice like the rustling of dry leaves. "You think you can undo what I have done? Your kingdom belongs to the shadows now, and you are powerless against me."
Aurelia stood tall, her heart as bright as ever.
मैं नफरत से पैदा होने वाली ताकत पर यकीन नहीं रखती, सेलीन। मैं जानती हूँ कि तुम कभी मेहरबान थी।
I don't believe in power born from hatred, Selene. I know you were once kind, once a protector. You've let the darkness consume you, but I believe there is still light in you. Selene scoffed. You know nothing of my pain. I was betrayed by those I loved. I was cast aside, abandoned in my greatest hour of need. I am stronger than I've ever been, and I will not let anyone take that away from me. Aurelia's voice softened. I understand your pain. I know what it feels like to lose trust, to feel alone. But carrying that pain in your heart will only burn you. It's not too late, Selene. You don't have to let the shadows control you. You can let go of the darkness. For a moment, Selene faltered.
तुम रोशनी को इख्तियार कर सकती हो। एक लम्हे के लिए, सेलीन हिचकिचा। इसकी आंखें, जो कभी गुस्से से भरी थी, एक लम्हे के लिए नरम हो गई, लेकिन फिर, जैसे एक तूफान उसके अंदर
Her
अलिफाटे खड़ा
eyes,
हो,
once filled
इसके
with
अर्द गिर्द
rage,
साए
softened
और
for a
ज्यादा
brief
सियाह हो
instant.
गए, और उसने
But
अपने
then,
हाथ
as if a
उठाकर रात
storm
की
surged
ताकत को
inside
तलब
her,
किया।
the shadows around her
तुम
grew more
बचकानी हो,
intense, and she
इवलिया।
raised her hands, calling upon the
अंधेरा अब
magic of
मेरी
the night.
जिंदगी है।
You are
लेकिन
naive,
इवलिया आगे
Aurelia.
बढ़ी,
The
बेखौफ,
darkness is
इसके
all I
हाथों से
have now.
सूरज की रोशनी चमक
But
रही थी।
Aurelia stepped forward,
रोशनी
unafraid,
कभी नहीं
her
छीन
hands
ली जा
glowing with the
सकती।
light of the sun.
ये हर दिल में है,
Light cannot be
चाहे
taken
दुनिया
away.
कितनी भी सियाह हो
It
जाए।
is within every heart,
और मैं
no matter
हमेशा
how dark the
रोशनी का
world
इंतखाब
becomes.
करूंगी।
And I will always
जैसे ही
choose the
इवलिया
light.
ने ये कहा,
As
एक
Aurelia
शानदार
spoke,
सुनहरी
a
रोशनी
brilliant
इससे
golden
निकली,
light surged
पूरे
from
किले
her,
को भर
filling
दिया
the castle
और
and
साए को
dispelling
मिटा
the
दिया।
shadows. The
सूरज की
magic of the
जादू ने
sun
सलीम
clashed
के
with the
जादू
dark
के
storm
खिलाफ
Celine
तसादुम
had
किया,
summoned,
और
and for the
पहली
first
बार
time, the
जादूगरनी
enchantress
हिचकिचा।
hesitated.
साए लरजने
The
लगे और
shadows
फिर कम
trembled,
होने
then
लगे,
began to
और वो
fade,
साए
drawn
अंदर
into
की
the light
रोशनी में
Aurelia
खुलने लगे।
carried within her.
सलीम की आंखों में हैरत
Celine's
थी,
eyes
इसकी
widened,
ताकत
her
कम हो
power
रही थी।
slipping away.
वो दर्द
The
और
pain
गुस्सा
and
जो
bitterness
उसने
she had
इतने
held
सालों
onto
तक
for
दिल
so
में रखा
long
था,
began to
वो
dissolve,
धीरे-धीरे
and in its
मिटने लगा,
place, a new
और उसकी
feeling
जगह
grew,
एक नया
something she
एहसास
hadn't
आया,
known in
ऐसा
years,
एहसास
hope.
जिसे उसने कई सालों से नहीं जाना था, उम्मीद।
I never thought I could feel
मैं-
this again, Celine
मैंने
whispered,
कभी
her
सोचा नहीं
voice
था कि
breaking.
मैं ये फिर से
The
महसूस कर
light.
सकूंगी।
It's
सलीम
not
ने
gone.
सरगोशी की,
It's
उसकी
still
आवाज
here.
राख रही थी।
I was wrong.
रोशनी,
Aurelia
ये
smiled
अभी भी
gently.
यहाँ है।
It's never
मैंने
too late,
गलत किया।
Celine.
इवलिया
can
ने
find
नरमी
your way
से
back.
मुस्कुराकर कहा, ये
We
कभी
all
भी देर
can.
नहीं होती।
With a
सलीम,
final breath, Celine let
वापस
go
जा
of her
सकती
magic,
हो।
and the curse over
हम सब
Astravia
जा
was
सकते
lifted.
हैं।
The sun
एक
broke
आखिरी
through the
सांस के
clouds,
साथ,
casting its
सलीम ने
golden
अपने
rays
जादू
upon
को
the
छोड़
land
दिया,
once more.
और इस सत्तरिविया
The
पर लगी
flowers
लानत
bloomed,
खत्म
the
हो गई।
rivers flowed, and the people of
सूरज ने
Astravia
बादलों को
cheered as the
चीरते
light
हुए
returned
जमीन
to their
पर अपनी
kingdom from
सुनहरी
that day
किरणें
forward.
भेज दे।
Celine no longer
फूल
dwelled in the
खुल गए,
shadows.
दरिया बहने लगे,
She chose to
और
use
इस
her powers
सत्तरिविया
to
के
protect
लोग
the
खुशी
kingdom,
से
and
बुलंद
she
आवाज
became a
में
trusted
नारा लगाने
advisor
लगे,
to Aurelia,
जब रोशनी
who
ने
forgave
एक
her
बार
not
फिर
out of
उनके
duty,
मुल्क को
but out
वापस
of
कर
love
लिया।
and understanding.
इस दिन के बाद,
Aurelia
सलीम ने
ruled
कभी
over
साए में रहना
Astravia
नहीं
with
चना।
wisdom and compassion,
उसने
knowing
अपनी
that the
ताकत
true
को मुल्क
strength
की
of a
हिफाजत
ruler
के लिए
lies not in
इस्तेमाल करना
power,
शुरू
but
किया,
in the ability
और वो
to forgive
इवलिया
and
की
bring
एक
healing
करीबी
to those
मुशीर
who are
बन गई,
lost.
जिसने इसे ना फर्ज के
Moral
तहत,
of the story,
बल्कि
no
मोहब्बत
one
और
is
समझ
beyond
के साथ
redemption.
मुआफ किया।
Even
इवलिया
in the
ने इस
deepest
सत्तरिविया
darkness,
की
the
हुक्मरानी
light can
की,
still be
जो कि
found.
हिकमत और हमदर्दी के साथ थी, ये जानते हुए कि एक हुक्मरान की असल ताकत में नहीं, बल्कि इन लोगों के लिए मुआफ़ी देने और शिफा देने की सलाहियत में होती है जो खो चुके हों। कहानी का सबक, कोई भी शख्स मुआफ़ी के काबिल नहीं होता, हत्ता कि सबसे गहरी तारीकी में भी रोशनी मिल सकती है। इवलिया की हमदर्दी और सलीम
Aurelia's
की भला
compassion
पर
and her
इसका
unwavering
यकीन
belief in
जादूगरनी को
Celine's
रोशनी
goodness
की
helped
तरफ
the
वापस ले
enchantress
आया।
find her way back to the light.
Subscribe to my channel.